Hey YouTube, RC Flyer here. I haven't flown this in a long time. The E-Flite T-28 Trojan. Yeah, let's take her up, and if you like what you see, again, remember to hit that like and subscribe button.
Gear up. Flaps up.
All right. It's been a while, so I'm just going to take her nice and slow down the runway. Whew, that was low. A little too low.
ESC 13 volts.
Take her down the runway again. Zero throttle.
ESC 13 volts.
Super fun plane. I need to keep her a little closer than what I was doing. A little inverted. Getting better at that, guys. Definitely getting a little bit better with my inverted lower. She'll roll.
13.3 volts.
Yeah.
ESC 13.6 volts.
Let's do another low run. Into the wind, we'll go a little bit slower. Oh yeah, what a pretty bird this thing is. Do a nice roll. Oh yeah. Taking her easy today. Don't want to kill the battery. It is a colder day. All right, we're gonna
Gear down.
gear down. Make sure the gear's totally. So we'll just go down the runway. It looks like we got all tires down, so we'll go right through for a pass right here, and then we'll take her in. Sorry about the sun.
Take off landing flaps.
Flaps are out. Give her some throttle so we don't drop a wing. And there we go.